Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to get ChatGPT Plus for free. As we all know that ChatGPT Plus is subscription based. To use it, you have to purchase it. So if you go and click onto this option ChatGPT, it shows that this plus icon which is for upgrade, and if you go there, you can see it is $20 per month and also $200 for enterprise. So if you want to access it for free, I'll show you another way to do it. So for that reason, you have to go to another tab and there you have to search for POE. POE. Once you search for it, you will get this AI platform which is POE.ai. You have to get there and just simply sign up using your Gmail or your Apple account. Then you will get to this page and there you can see all the AI assistants are available here and all of them are free. Here we have the ChatGPT 4.1 and ChatGPT 4.0, which is also known as ChatGPT Plus. And other than that, there are a number of different AI assistants available and everything here is free. So you can just simply go with ChatGPT 4.0, ChatGPT 4.1, which is also known as ChatGPT Plus. Simply click onto it and you will have the AI board here. So whatever you wanted to ask to the ChatGPT Plus, here you can ask it. Because this one is actually ChatGPT Plus. The 4.0 is also really great, but 4.1 is the latest one, but you can use both. Whatever you ask, you will get answer to it. And the best part is that this platform offer all of these AI assistants for free. Not a single penny will be charged for you. You can access all these ones for free. So that's how you can use ChatGPT Plus for free. I hope you find this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. And thank you so much for watching the video till the very end.